What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over 5 altcoins in particular that I think are going to yield the highest returns in the second leg of the bull market. This isn't just based on my opinions. This is based on hundreds of institutional investor reports and which 5 altcoins have appeared the most on all of these reports. And we got to remember that last bull market at the end of 2020, early 2021, one of the main catalysts for the massive rally was institutional investors. So it's interesting to see which altcoins in particular they're investing in. But before we dive into that, it still says 72.2% of you watching are not subscribed. So if you enjoy short form, concise, no BS content that doesn't waste either of our times, well, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, Patreon is sold out. We don't have any spots left there, but you can go ahead and join a free Discord that we just made. I am in there all the time, more than any other creator on YouTube. I would bet money on that. Anyways, right now, we're seeing the entire crypto market do extremely well to start off the fourth quarter of 2021. I've looked into a number of institutional investor reports recently, and I found 5 or 6 altcoins that have appeared on almost all of these. So we're just going to quickly list them off, not dive too deep into either of them, but these are ones that have appeared on most institutional investor reports. So, according to Grayscale, they just recently came out, rebalanced their portfolio, and in the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund, we have seen that they've added a couple of new altcoins to their position, to the fund, and they've also rebalanced a couple of positions as well. So, the highest altcoin that they have in this fund is Ethereum. Ethereum doesn't really need an explanation, is the second largest crypto in terms of market cap. Ethereum has the most decentralized finance applications built on it. It has the most widespread adoption out of all the altcoins, and it has the largest NFT ecosystem right now. The second largest position in Grayscale's digital large cap fund, the second largest altcoin, is Cardano. Cardano is a coin that we've talked about a lot on the channel. We're very bullish on, and recently Cardano has had the Cardano Summit. They've had the Alonzo upgrade, and now that we're seeing hundreds of developers start to build and utilize smart contracts on Cardano's ecosystem. This is very exciting. In addition to this Grayscale digital large cap fund, we've also seen that Cardano has ranked at the top of CoinShares digital asset inflows and outflows report almost every single week. Every week we talk about this report. We talk about which cryptos institutions are putting money into, which ones they're taking out of. And we have seen that Solana has ranked at the top of this list almost every single week. We can see last week there was $2.6 million into Cardano digital asset funds. So that's another one. Third coin is Solana. Solana was put for the first time ever into this Grayscale digital large cap fund. And this is a coin that, again, we have talked about a lot on the channel. Recently, Solana actually just had its largest ever sale of an NFT for $2.1 million. This is important because everyone's looking for an alternative to Ethereum NFTs, one that has lower transaction fees, one that is like a true competitor to Ethereum where you can list NFTs. And it seems like Solana is becoming that ecosystem. Many now larger purchases are taking place for Solana NFTs, and it's exciting to see that this ecosystem is continuing to grow. We're seeing hundreds of applications built on Solana, and it's exciting to see that there is now becoming a very significant competitor to Ethereum NFTs. So this was just like a confirmation and validation of that. The fourth altcoin is Uniswap. Uniswap is a coin that we haven't talked about too much on the channel, but it is, decentralized exchange. It has a lot going for it, and is one of the largest decentralized exchanges on Ethereum. And then the fifth coin on this list in particular is Chainlink. But this report, this is just from Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund. It really comprises of most of the altcoins that institutions look at, but there's one in particular that it doesn't mention, and that is Polkadot. Polkadot has been one of the leaders on this digital asset inflows and outflows report from CoinShares every single week. Almost every single week, we see it in the top 3 in terms of altcoins that institutions are putting money into and on this report. Last week, we saw $2.4 million in weekly inflows into Polkadot investment products. Very exciting. Polkadot, the reason I like Polkadot is because it has a fast-growing ecosystem. There's hundreds of applications on it, and I like to see decentralized ecosystems that are growing very rapidly and having a lot of widespread adoption. So right now, those are like the 5 or 6 altcoins that institutions are really pouring a lot of money into. It's Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Uniswap, Chainlink, and Polkadot. These are ones that I've seen on almost every single institutional investor report, or at least on the vast majority of them. So anyways, I just want to keep this quick. We'll list those off. give you some reasons. But let me know your thoughts, any altcoins in particular that you guys are looking at. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next episode. See you guys.